Brother, you can't tell me say Haitian people and Jamaican people are not the same people. Cause I agree with you. You see, when me talk to my Haitian brother them always a tell me say, you know, say when you have the same type of food, you know, just call it different. And when me go pre-dog, and me go order some Haitian food, you know, say I see them food just seasoned a little bit different. Example, in a Jamaica we have a dish what we call kalaloo. Alright, it's a natural greens what we cook and yam for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You see, in Haiti, them have a same dish, the same greens called lalo. Lalo. Kalaloo, lalo. When you see how the same thing, the only thing what them do is put like shrimps or crab in a feed them. And in a Jamaica, you can either have it ital when we do with kalaloo or you can put saltfish in there. But have same seasonings, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, scallion and thyme and tomatoes, same thing, dog. I same thing. And when me pre the levels